What happened? What's wrong? What happened? Where's your night-night? Where did it go?
Mommy.
What? Where did it go, sweetie? Do you see it? I don't see it.
No.
Are you sure it's in there? Okay, if you tell me where it is, I'll get it. Where is it, baby? Where is it, sweetie pie? I'll get it. It might still be wet. You want me to try it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. It's still wet, Bubba. It's still wet. We gotta dry it. And we have to dry it, sweetie.
Mommy,
What do you need? Okay, I'll get it, and when it's dry. It's only like 10 more minutes, okay?